In this guide, we are going to be going over the very best deck for Arena 5 here in Clash Royale. This is going to be a classic deck that is still by far one of the best decks in the entire game. But before we do dive into this retro deck, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you are struggling with Arena 5, don't worry. We got you with the Retro Arena Giant Hog Musk Beatdown. At least that's what this deck used to be called. It's a 3.1 average elixir, and your main game plan is to use the Giant as your tank and drop the Hog Rider right behind that for double lane pressure. This combo forces your opponent to choose what to defend, and usually one of them ends up connecting. The Musketeer is going to be your backbone. It's long-range DPS that pairs perfectly with the giant pushes and defends against air. Minions are going to give you that cheap air control, while goblins and skeletons help keep the cycle fast and distract enemy troops. Overall, for spells, you have Fireball for medium troops like Musketeer or Mini P.E.K.K.A, and Zap just to reset Inferno Towers or wipe out Swarms. This deck is all about godly synergy, giant tanks, hog finishes, musketeer supports. And the cycle is quick enough to keep up the constant pressure. If you do like a balanced beatdown with reliable defenses, this is going to be your go-to retro deck. But if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.